Alright, good morning. It's Monday morning, September 26th, and let's get right to our weekly zones for the S&P 500 futures, bond futures, crude futures, dollar futures, and gold futures. Up first is S&P 500 futures. It looks like our weekly zones to the upside's 2218, downside's 2075. So we've got upside here, downside there. First level, horizontal solid line, first level to the upside, horizontal black solid line. If you have a weekly position on strangle or iron condor puts or calls, then you might want to hedge in these or make strategy adjustments inside these red areas. All right. Bond futures upside 171.31, downside 164.09. So we know from historical watching these levels right here, we stand better than 95% of chance of those levels never being violated in all these markets combined. Alright, so let's look at crude. We got several lines here. Let me walk through each one of those. The blue horizontal lines represent the short strikes at the 40 level and 50 level for two different positions we have on. We have a iron condor on in the double your portfolio strategy, and then we have in my personal account just a strangle on with those short strikes. Alright, so upside in crude is 49.31, downside is 40.35. You have a position on. Red means areas where you might want to make some delta adjustments. Dollar zones 97.01 upside, 93.56 downside. We've been in a really tight range in the dollar for quite some time. Let's take a look at gold. Nice channel action here in gold. So we've got upside 1376.80, downside 1302.40. Up here, down there. Several layers of resistance in gold. All right, so here's just a shot of the strangle I put on in the S&P this morning. Expires at the end of the week. I'll put out some more details on that a little bit later in a separate recording. And this is just the paper money iron condor, which you guys saw. I posted that last night. Okay, that's a wrap for the weekly levels for the week. So we'll close this up and keep you posted on the levels as we move forward in the week.